my name is Queenie van der Zandt and I'm an entertainer, an educator and a serenader. Now, as you can probably already tell, I don't have a special talent for making iMovie promo videos, which is why this one looks like it was made in 1993, but I do have a talent for belting. In fact, here is me belting in 1993. You're gonna love that oh, the 90s. But if you're a singer, you are going to love my online workshop, How to Belt Like a Pro. Just a piece of sky. So I invite you to join me. We're going to have a lot of fun because, hello, it's singing, not brain surgery. And let me help you find and improve your belt voice.